This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sandra Wilder. Welcome to the amenity-filled, family-friendly, affordable, convenient location, low-maintenance community of Timber Creek and one of the best options available within. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 3-year-old, furnished, newly, 1-level, water view, calming neutral design, manageable space, attached 2-car garage, low cost of quality living inside a safe/secure gated community within reach of everyday living needs and wants. Are you wanting a space that fits your family and friends when they visit, care to have enough space to enjoy yet not have to clean, like walking to the amenities without the need of transportation? You have found just that property. This property has all that and more, with the water views, the oversized exterior screened lanai and no need to wait for, pay for or furnish a new construction. It lives like it was just built and comes with a home warranty to prove it. Bring your suitcase, land at RSW, 15 minutes away, and be home. Walk up to the restaurant and get inside the heated pool. Sound like a dream? Reality awaits and is able to be yours for season. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandra Wilder at 239-850-1650.